Hey, what's up guys, your girl Nene, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you guys love my videos, please give me a thumbs up, as well as make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and make sure that the notification bell is on so you guys can keep up with all of my updates. Alright, so for today's video, I feel like I hate when my lips get like that. Like when I would have on chapstick and I would have like these like this white stuff on my lip. Like, what is that? Is that dead skin? Like, I don't know, because that means that I need to exfoliate, because that's just yikes. But anyway, so I was watching a Thomas Halbert video a while back, and it's when the JACLYN Hill palette had came out. Not the JACLYN Hill palette, the JACLYN Hill Vault palettes had came out. So he said that for him personally, he got the P. Louise base, which I personally went out and I got the P. Louise bases literally because of his video, because I wanted to test out his theory. He used, like, okay, so there was a whole controversy with the JACLYN Hill palettes, and they just weren't good. Like, it was just a mess. He literally coined it as subculture part 2, which I really feel was very harsh, because subculture, it was pretty bad with subculture as well. So I wanted to test out his theory, so I went ahead and I bought the P. Louise base. I have the colors Rumor 0 and Rumor 5. Like, the P. Louise base, if you guys don't know where to get it, personally, I bought it straight from the P. Louise site. Like, I have seen people say that, you know, they probably, like, bought it off of somebody from Facebook or whatever, and they were getting, like, fake stuff. So, honestly speaking, what I'm really going to tell you is just, please buy it straight from the site. It's 10 pounds, and 10 pounds USD. I'm not sure what it is, but I bought 2, and 20 pounds USD is, I want to say, $38.96. I mean 20 pounds. I said 20 pounds USD, didn't I? Okay, 20 pounds is $38.96 USD. That's how much I personally paid for these two bases. So yeah, so we're just gonna jump into the vault, and I'm gonna pick a palette, and we're just gonna go from there. I got the vault right here. I do own all 4 of the palettes. I have Armed & Gorgeous, Bling Boss, Ring the Alarm, and Dark Magic. It was one of these that I had such a problem with. Yeah, it was the Armed & Gorgeous palette, because I had did a look. Like, I never filmed it or anything. Like, I was just trying out something, you know, just for the sake of trying it out. And because I had like a family event to go to a while back, and this palette was literally, like, honestly, it was so freaking horrible. I'm gonna be honest. So it was just it, like, honestly, I don't want to say it sucked, but hopefully that the P. Louise base can at least give it some justice, because it, honestly guys, it was a mess. So, but the one thing that I do love is the packaging and the fact that the palettes do have a mirror, so I don't really have to keep, you know, going back and forth between palette mirror, palette mirror. So that's really a good thing. So yeah, I'm sure you guys have already seen at least all of the palettes already, especially this one, but I'm gonna just show it to you guys just for, you know, video purposes. And so yeah, as you can see, like, I did dip into it maybe like once and then just never really rocked with it again. I really was attached to the Armed & Gorgeous palettes just because of how many yellows, or like yellowy kind of colors that was in there. And pretty much, like, just looking at the colors, I really want to do like some kind of fall look type thing. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So for brows, I'm actually gonna use this. You guys haven't seen me use this in a while, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. I usually use the color Granite, and as you can tell, this thing was loved. Okay. For brows, I'm gonna clean it up with, okay, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, for brows, I'm gonna clean up with Tarte Shape Tape. And the shade I'm using is in the shade Deep. Okay, and for foundation, today I will be using the NYX Total Control drops. I'm in the shade Deep Cool, and I'm just gonna use maybe like a little bit, like 2 drops maybe, to clean up the top of my brow. I think I wanna try the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, because since it's like a white, like the colors will probably show up, like since it's white, the colors will pretty much show up like a pop. So I'm just gonna use like a little bit, that much. Okay, so I'm just gonna use like this flat brush and kind of just pat it all over my eyes. One thing that I noticed already is how fast this dries down. Like, there's literally no smudge on my fingers or nothing. So that's actually good. Also, the consistency of the P. Louise base, it doesn't, like, honestly, I can't really describe it. Like, it doesn't feel like a concealer and doesn't feel like a foundation neither. Like, it's just, I don't know. I don't know what to describe this feeling, but it's not drying. My eyes don't feel cakey. Like, it's extremely lightweight, so that's definitely cool. I like that. So, the first shade that I feel like I should go into, the first shade that I'm gonna go into is Access, which is this one right here. Okay, so pretty much like where the border where the concealer and the base meets, I'm still seeing the same problem that I had before. So I don't know if that's pretty much an eyeshadow problem or if it was like a me problem. Then on top of that, what I noticed based off of application, okay, Nikki Tutorials, she uses the she applies the eyeshadow base using a sponge. So maybe that could be what it is, because I used it with the brush. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the color Agent, which is this color right here. Since I kind of applied it lower than where I applied the yellow, it does look a bit better. I'm gonna go into this brush right here. This brush right here, and it's a e.l.f. tapered stipple brush that I got from like a travel set. And I'm gonna go into the color Prowl, which is this color right here. Okay, I do notice on the part where the base is, it's like applied differently. Like, it actually showed up like really pigmented, like right here versus up here. Not like, I'm gonna be honest with you, like it's not too bad. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used for that last color and just blend it out. Now, I might want to do a cut crease just so I can test out the base with the shimmers, because the shimmers was also a crazy problem as well too. So far, it's not too bad. I just feel like maybe like when I was doing my brows, instead of like cutting it, like shaping up my brows with the concealer, maybe I should have just used the base. But then if I do that, like I would have to go and reorder another base color, because they do have another base color. They have a base shade that's darker than the two that I've gotten. So I would have to So I would pretty much have to reorder another one. But for anybody that's worrying about shipping, it took about 2 weeks. Like, I did my order in around late October, and I got it, I want to say November 13th or 12th, something like that. So like, I've had it for a minute. I just didn't try it because I was pretty much saving it to do for this video. So for this part, I'm gonna kind of like interchange between a brush and my finger. So the color that I really want to use is called VIP, and it's this one right here. Oh, I'm not flicking y'all off, but it's this one right here, and I'm just gonna like test it. Cause like I already swatched it on my hand. Like, this is VIP right here. It's a very pigmented color, but it just did not show up right when I first tried it. So, wow. T. This is okay. Okay, this is T. This is major T, y'all. Hold up. Cause when I first looked at this palette, this was the color that I fell in love with, and the fact that it didn't even work, I was like, are you dead ass?
Bitch, are you dumb stupid?
Okay, also, I think, like, since the brush that I'm using to apply the rest, like, once I get closer to the crease, since, like, this brush it already had the base residue on it, I feel like that's also what's helping. Okay, so pretty much I'm just gonna go back into the, into this brush that I had used the yellow and that orangey yellow color, and I'm gonna kind of, like, slightly dip into Prowl and Agent. Kind of like mix the two in a sense, and use that to like help blend it in at the end here. So far, it actually looks really freaking good. Like, I'm really proud of this. Like, this looks so freaking good. Like, the only thing that I would say is I definitely should have, instead of using the, excuse me, like, instead of using the concealer to clean up my eyebrows, I definitely should have just used the eyeshadow base. But I don't have an eyeshadow base that's light enough like how my concealer was, so that's really why I didn't. But I definitely gotta go get another P. Louise eyeshadow base, because this actually came out way better than how than how it did last time. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, like, this was a mess, but I'm pretty sure, like, at the time now when I'm actually filming this video, you can still go get the Vault palettes, and they're in much better quality, because I had ordered my Vault palettes when it launched, so I pretty much walked into a shitstorm, honestly. But overall, did the P. Louise base help the palettes? It did, and it helped tremendously. The shadows definitely worked, and it definitely, you know, applied way better than it did originally. So yeah, I would definitely say, yeah, please go get this go get this base. All the hype is definitely worth it. His theory is correct, and I see what he's saying. So I'm just gonna like finish up the rest of my face, and we're gonna close this out. Oh, pretty much, I really wanted to try this out. Every chocolate girl across the world, on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere, has been raving about this product, and I've actually seen it on a couple makeup threads. I'm just about to get it out the plastic, and NYX finally restocked them, so I got a couple. I really, like, honestly, just just spend the extra $2 and actually put it in the paper, please. Like, in the paper covering, because I really hate this shrink wrap covering. Like, I hate it so much, but finally got it out. This is the Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Cinnamon Roll. It's been said that this lip product right here is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best, lip gloss for dark-skinned girls. So we're gonna see. First off, it smells damn good. Like, honestly. Like, it doesn't smell. Ooh. Okay, so I'm looking, like, in the camera, and it looks good. Like, but yeah, it doesn't smell like a cinnamon roll, though. It smells like, I want to say, like, some kind of cookie. Like, this may have just become my new staple. Like, this is nice.
It's like some rice.
Like, oh my god. And they had it on sale when I bought it, so I bought it for $4.55. Girl, I can't. But yeah, this is the finished look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.